Okay, so right now I will explain the Arduino code because the before is microbit code. So right now is in Arduino. So for the Wi-Fi is use our hotspot or your hotspot from your phone, and for make the ESP is connect to the web in Firebase. We make with uh, ourselves in my team. So and for the user email and user password is user email and password in the account in testing database or user in testing database. So for the APK is get from testing database, and the other is make the ESP is connect to the Wi-Fi for can use in the web. Okay, and this there is some code for the ESP for make the sensor make move on and off. Okay, then.
Okay, so what we need to do is what we need in a smart home is first is this ESP32 and then microbit and then extension. I use NeoPixel and then two battery and relay to relay, and then this is dynamo, and in the last is this is name is selenite. Okay, so if you want to on the kipas or the fan, yeah, so you can use the website here. So after we on, so waiting, and yeah, you can see here, and okay, close. The next is selenite.
The door.
For the door, you can open it done. You just waiting and done. And when you press again,
Close. Lock the door.
okay, you can lock the door. Just waiting. Okay. Okay, now I will explain the code. So first, serial write line, temperature and light level. So this will send to the EXP, and the EXP will send to the Firebase and go to the website. And the next is after that, if you want to the relay is on, so you must to read the EXP will send value that is can change the digital write pin. So if digital write pin already changed, so that can in here send to the relay, and the relay is on. Okay, done.
Okay guys, in here I want to explain about some useful stuff for our smart house. And the first is there is a fan, or not, you guys can say on Indonesian is kipas. Later there is some coding for make the fan is on, and you guys can see there's the cable, this for connecting to the fan in here, and in here this for like a saklar, or not, you guys can say like for connecting the cable to the fan. And this is the microbit. For the microbit 4 is like later there is some there is solenoid, but get borrow first. Yeah, maybe later I'm going to explain that. And in here, the microbit useful for put the code. After that, for running the fan or not the door. The door is what the name? Solenoid. Okay. Yeah, maybe that's all. Sorry if I have mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So here my part is making a website. So I make a website use Lovable app, or you can say like I make a website. So in here I make a website the function about suhu, and this for sensor suhu, and this for sensor cahaya, and this for we can control the function from here. So we can on off the kipas in here, we can on off the lamp in here, and the solenoid from here. So the data will send to the database here. The database I make from Firebase to Google. So the data from website to the database Firebase, and the database will read by the code. Maybe that's all from us. Sorry if we have some mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.